Welcome to Beautyistic. Ever had one of those mornings where your eyes just need a little extra help to look wide awake? Today, I'm bringing you a product that promises to do exactly that, the Tarte Fake Awake Eye Highlight. This pencil is designed to give you that refreshed, bright-eyed look, no matter how little sleep you've had. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. First off, let's break down the basics. The Tarte Fake Awake Eye Highlight comes in a neutral, nude shade, perfect for brightening the inner corners of your eyes or even your waterline. The pencil is a semi-matte finish, which gives it a natural look while still providing a noticeable lift to your eyes. The texture is blendable, so you don't have to worry about harsh lines. It's all about soft, subtle definition, which I appreciate, especially for those who like a more natural eye look. As for the ingredients, Tarte's commitment to clean beauty is something to note. This product is cruelty-free and it's formulated without parabens, sulfates, or phthalates, which is always a bonus when choosing products for sensitive areas like the eyes. This pencil is easy to use, but let's get into the real-world testing. When I first tried it, the application was smooth. I typically use it along my lower waterline to brighten up the whole eye area. I loved how easily it glided on, no tugging or pulling required. It's got a creamy texture that stays put for hours without feeling too dry or uncomfortable. I even tried it in the inner corners of my eyes, and it gave that perfect pop without being too intense or unnatural. Now for a few practical thoughts. The longevity is solid. I noticed it stays bright and in place for about 6 to 7 hours. It's not smudge-proof though, so if you have watery eyes or are prone to rubbing, you might need a quick touch-up midday. Also, as the pencil wears down, it can be tricky to get precise lines unless sharpened, but that's typical for any pencil formula. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, I love how versatile it is. It can be used as a liner or for brightening the inner corners. It's super easy to apply and feels comfortable all day. The blendability is great for those who prefer softer, more natural look. On the flip side, the pencil can wear off a bit faster than some other long-wear eye products. So if you're looking for something with super staying power, this might not be the absolute best. Now, considering the price, I'd say it's on the mid-high end for a pencil. Tarte is a premium brand, but if you're paying for the clean beauty formula and the performance, I do think it justifies the cost. It's a great option for anyone looking for a safe, gentle product that brightens without being too harsh. If you're considering alternatives, a similar product would be the NYX Professional Makeup Wonder Pencil. It's a bit more affordable and it offers similar brightening effects for the waterline, though it doesn't have the same creamy, blendable texture. But if you're willing to splurge on a more luxurious formula, this Tarte pencil is certainly a good investment. In terms of build quality, the pencil itself is solid and the twist-up mechanism makes it easy to use without needing a sharpener. As for longevity, I'd expect it to last a while, but it does depend on how often you use it. I didn't have to deal with Tarte's customer service, but they're known for excellent response times and a customer-first approach. So if you ever have an issue with a product, they'll likely take care of it quickly. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a subtle, clean beauty product that can make a noticeable difference in your eye makeup routine, the Tarte Fake Awake Eye Highlight is definitely worth trying. It's a great option for anyone looking to brighten their eyes in a natural way with a product that's gentle and easy to use. Just be mindful of its staying power if you need something that holds up all day. If this review helped you out, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so we can keep bringing honest beauty reviews like this one. Your support means everything. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've used this pencil or have any other favorites for brightening your eyes, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay beautiful, inside and out. Until next time.